In this video, we'll look at conducting a search from the basic search screen in EBSCO Research Databases. From the library homepage, click on the link for Databases A to Z. From there, click on the letter E, and then scroll down and click on EBSCO Research Databases. You can begin by entering your search terms in the search box. We'll do a search for servant leadership. As you type, the autocomplete feature appears with popular searches or publications that you can click to quickly run a search. As you scroll down, you'll see different types of results that apply to servant leadership. Some of these are journals, some of these are ebooks. Let's select one. As we look at this article, we want to note a few things on this record screen. As we scroll down, we'll see a section here for subject terms. These are different types of keywords or other search terms that the article is filed under that you may find helpful. If you scroll down further, you should see something called an abstract or a description. This is basically a summary of the main findings of the research study. This is usually a couple of sentences or a paragraph and can help you determine whether this would be helpful for your research. As we scroll back up, we want to note a few things in the top right that are EBSCO tools that you may find helpful. One of them is the Cite button. As you click on this, EBSCO gives you some options on how you would cite this article in various citation styles. Click on the drop-down arrow to select the one that is appropriate for your research project. In this case, as an example, we'll select APA 7th edition. You'll notice the citation appears, and from here you can copy this to your clipboard to paste it into your document. You may want to double-check this with something like Purdue OWL to make sure that the citation is correct before you submit your assignment. Also in the top right in the tools section, you'll see a button here for share. When you click on that, you'll see an option here for email. If you click on the email button, you can then type in your email address and send this to yourself so you can save articles that you find as you go through your search. Let's go back to our main search screen and narrow our search even further. If you notice, there are some options here at the top. From here, we can select full text options only. We can also select materials that are specifically peer reviewed, and we can search for results that have been published just within a specific time frame. In this case, we'll look at the last 5 years. Once again, we'll take a look at one of these results. On this record screen, you have a couple of options to look at the material. One of them is the drop-down box here for access options. You can either select PDF to download it or online full text to read it within your browser. And from here, we can read through the entire article. We also have options at the top of the screen to print it out or to download it if we decide we do want to save it. These are some of the basic options in using EBSCO's Research Databases interface. If you have any questions, please contact us for further help. Thank you.